first of all, good noon, ladies and gentlemen. And the thing that I like the most about going to Britain is that it's a direct flight. I love the fact that you get on a plane and you land where you want to be. So it's extremely convenient, and I really like that. I actually discovered how beautiful the countryside was pretty much in and around as we shot for this film, Shandar. We pretty much shot all of the film in Britain. And like Alia said, we shot in Leeds, but we used to travel a lot here and there. As you can see, there's a lot of beautiful castles. It's supposed to be one castle, but it's actually a few because our director Vikas Behl wasn't satisfied with just one. So he helped us discover a few castles in and around the countryside in Britain. It's extremely beautiful. The weather was absolutely fantastic when we shot. It did get cold towards the second half, but in the months of August and September, it's amazing weather. It's extremely green, extremely lush. The roads are fantastic. So, driving around is really, really convenient. You have trains as well, so you can actually get anywhere you want very, very easily. It's not a problem. It's not a hassle at all. And, when films are made, there's a lot of stuff that needs to go from point A to point B with very little time to spare. So it was extremely convenient. Very, very beautiful. I don't think Shandar would have been the fairy tale romance, like Alia said, that it needs to be without the wonderful, beautiful countryside that Britain has. So we've really been privileged to have shot there. And we're very happy to be here and to be talking about it because we truly had an amazing time shooting the film, and it's truly been memorable. And it's really something that I will cherish for a long time because this is probably one of the most beautiful looking films that I've done. And I think the countryside of Britain did complete justice to that.
I'd like to add something to that.
Of course.
Also, speaking about how beautiful it is, yes. But one thing that me and Shahid, I think, can vouch for and say that was really, really beautiful was the amount of shopping we got to do over there and the facilities of the theaters. The theaters were so cool. We would okay, let's just go watch a film because the theater is so amazing. We would chill and he would have a hot chocolate and I would have something else. Obviously, this was on our cheat days and we're not doing it every day. But yeah, that's something, and both of us, I remember very clearly every off day we used to look forward to walking around, picking up a cup of coffee and then going shopping. And we could do it. I came back with
a lot of shopping, yes.
What did you all shop for most?
Sorry.
What did you all shop for most?
Alia shopped.
Clothes?
I watched.
What, Ravish? You also shopped. You shopped and bought me presents. You've forgotten about that.
Oh, yeah, I did. I'm very good with that. I'm good with gifts.
Actually, जब मैं छोटी थी, not छोटी थी, but जब मैं, हाँ छोटी थी.
छोटी तो तुम अभी भी हो.
इससे ज़्यादा छोटी थी.
और छोटी थी.
बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी थी. मैं वो जो कॉन्टेस्ट होता है ना टीवी पे कि ये किसकी आँख है और इसका ये चेहरा और लिप्स.
उस टाइम पे भी तुम फिल्म एक्टर्स के पजल सॉल्व करते थे. तो वी ऑल नो ये क्यों एक्ट्रेस बनी है, इनकी लाइफ में यही चल रहा है.
मैं वो जवाब देती थी and I should always get it right, but मेरे को हमेशा वेटिंग लाइन पे वो लोग रुका देते थे. So I could not give my answer.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all.